Well, hello. Hello. I'm so glad that you are joining me here. I am about to share with you the Time-Wise repair set, and this is a volu-firm repair set. So, if you are in a place where you are looking to age backwards, then this is the right set for you. And I'm actually going to take you through kind of step by step how to use this particular product line. I absolutely love it. It is one of my favorites. I personally use this one myself, and in addition to some other products, of course, in our line, but I absolutely love it and I'm excited to share it with you. So while we get started here, I would love for you to just say hello in the comments. So be sure to tag your consultant so that way she knows that you're here and watching this video. I love to give away free products and stuff. So make sure that you comment and tag her, and that will get you entered into our giveaways. And if you are a consultant and you invited a guest to watch this, then go ahead and tag her as well. That way she knows that we are up and going and all that good stuff. So you may or may not have samples of these products. So if you don't, feel free, of course, to continue watching because you're going to learn all about this fabulous product line and see if it's the best fit for you and your skin. And if you don't have the samples and would like to try them, just go ahead and type in free sample in the comments and I'll be sure that you get your free sample. So anyway, we're going to jump in by first having me share a little quick bit about myself, and then we're going to get right into the product. So at the end, I am going to share a little bit about some specials that are great, to take advantage of if you choose. So I want to make sure that you know all of that good stuff. Okay, so let me introduce myself while you guys are hopping on. My name is Margaret, and I have been using personally and promoting Mary Kay products for over 25 years. I fell in love with the way that they transform my skin, and so I thought, what better way to make a little cash on the side than to share the products that I love. So fast forward 25 years, I'm still loving it, and my skin has changed over the years. And one of the things I love about Mary Kay is at the beginning, I was more acne prone, and they have a skincare line for more acne prone skin. And then, as you continue to age, there are things that your skin needs differently because we've been exposed to the environment for so long and our collagen production slows down. And so Mary Kay has a skincare set fit best for you no matter what season of life you're in. So anyway, if you're watching this video, you are probably ready to do some aging backwards. Okay, so I hope that you're excited and ready to do that. I'm going to take you step by step on how to do that with a couple little supplements, and then that will be it. And I'll show you all the great specials that we have to offer. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right in. I am going to share my screen and show you a super quick video to give you kind of the science behind this miracle of a product line. So here we go.
A new age of beauty is born. Introducing a breakthrough in age-fighting science that not only targets the advanced signs of aging, it fights the reasons why they appear. Time-Wise Repair, the latest innovation in age-fighting skincare from Mary Kay. The patent-pending volu-firm complex is so vital to skin, it's in every product. Experience advanced age-fighting benefits like never before. Based on a 12-week clinical study, an independent skin measurement expert saw these significant changes after women used the Time-Wise Repair regimen. Together, unique ingredients and advanced technology target the advanced signs of aging at every step. Revitalize and renew skin as you cleanse. Help visibly firm and lift skin with a daily serum. Help address the damage that can lead to sagging and wrinkles with a rich, hydrating day cream. Reveal youthful-looking skin with retinol and reawaken tired eyes and target the multiple signs of aging around the eyes. Restore what was lost. Lift away the years. Put the science of Time-Wise Repair to work for you. Available exclusively through your Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant.
Okay, are you guys excited to try this product and just to learn more about it? So, it's going to be quick and fast here. I'm going to show you where I start though. So, I obviously you saw a little bit of the science behind it, this particular product line, but I'm going to show you kind of from start to finish how I do my regimen. So, first and foremost, we have to remove our eye makeup before we use our cleanser. And so, this eye makeup remover is a bestseller of ours, and it melts away the eye makeup off of your eyes. So there's two different layers you kind of see when you get this product the first time. And what you're going to do is you're actually going to shake up the bottle, and then you're going to apply it to a cotton pad. And this cotton pad is great because it doesn't allow you to waste any product. And you simply just place it on your eyelid here, just kind of loosening up your eye makeup. It takes off waterproof and non-waterproof. And then you just swipe it away. Look at all that comes off. So yeah, we want to make sure that all of that comes off before we use our cleanser. So I kind of just go back over it like that on the other side there. And then I'm going to do the other eye here really quick, like that. We don't want to pull or tug too much around our eye area, right? Because the eye area is so delicate. So don't tug or pull, and do not use a cleanser. Look at that. Do not use a cleanser around your eye area because it is just a little bit too abrasive around that area. You just have to be super delicate when you're doing that. So, all right. So there's that. So we got all of that off. Okay, so next up, what we're going to do is we're going to remove our makeup, and that is going to be done with something called micellar water. So this micellar water is fabulous. I like to use this as a double cleanse. So basically what I'm going to do is, again, use a cotton pad. I applied the product to it, and I'm just going to kind of remove all of my makeup that I have on my skin. Now, whether or not I'm wearing makeup, I still do this as a way to double cleanse and get my skin cleaned off first before I start using the foaming cleanser. And the reason for that is kind of like, that whole principle of you wouldn't mop your floors before you sweep them, right? You want to sweep off the skin first before you actually do the cleanse. So I'm actually going to use this, take off my lipstick too. There we go. All right. Okay, so we've done those two things. We've eye makeup remover first, and then the micellar water. So these are like my besties, and I always start my skincare routine with those two products. So next up, we're going to jump right into the foaming cleanser. So I'm going to grab that. That's this one right here. So it says Time Wise Foaming Cleanser. I'm going to put just a little bit of this product, just about that much. May not even really need that much. And I'm just going to apply it to my skin. And then I love using a Skin Sonic brush like this one. So I'm going to go ahead and wet it a little bit and use this to kind of cleanse my skin here. And you'll notice that this foaming cleanser does foam up. And I love using this cleanser brush. It'll actually get your skin cleaner than it normally would if you were just massaging with your fingertips and then using a washcloth. It's kind of like the whole idea of using an electric toothbrush, right? You're just going to get that much cleaner. Okay. So there's that. And then I always go back with the washcloth, and then I'm going to remove all of that. The washcloth kind of acts like a magnet, to get every little bit of product off of your face. So I like doing that. There we go. And then we're just going to let it dry for just a second. So there we go. All right. So now I've got all of that product off my skin. And we're going to let the face just dry for just a moment. So we did our cleanse before our cleanse, right? We did the micellar water, eye makeup remover, and then now this Time Wise foaming cleanser. So love that. So now what I'm going to show you while my skin is drying, just two other products that are kind of supplemental products that I highly recommend that are a part of the Time Wise repair set. And that is the facial peel. It's called Revealing Radiance Facial Peel. And then also our deep wrinkle filler. And when you have this together with the miracle set or the repair set that we're doing, then that's called an ultimate repair set. Okay, so I want you to know that this just makes it that much better with these supplemental products. So the facial peel, first of all, is like a chemical exfoliator. It's got a glycolic peel to it. It does not actually peel your skin. Okay, so there's no downtime with this. What it does is it actually breaks the bonds of all of the skin cells on your skin, just those several layers deep, actually, and it's going to remove them very gently in a way that will expose those new fresh skin cells, and they will absorb all the nutrients from the other products that you're going to use. So you're going to find that your skin just regenerates itself faster and faster. It's all about collagen production and triggering that, right? Our cell renewal process slows down as we age. So we want to make sure that we keep triggering it to reproduce new fresh cells. And that's what this facial peel will do. So on a night that I do this, I only do it a couple times a week. I would use my cleanser, and then I'm going to use my facial peel. And then I'm going to let that sit for maybe 10, 15 minutes. And then I'm going to rinse that off. And then I'm going to go to my next step. Okay, so we'll do that in just a moment. But this product here is another good one that I want to share. It has hyaluronic acid in it, and this is a deep wrinkle filler. And the deep wrinkle filler is like Botox in a tube here. So you literally see this little kind of needle nose applicator here. So a little bit goes a long way, and you're literally going to put it in all the different cracks and things that you want to fill. And one little tip that I absolutely love is right around here, the lip area. This is a big place where people tend to ask me like, hey, what can I do for the lines around my lip area? This is the product that you can use for that. So those are the two supplemental products I wanted to share with you. Now we're going to get back to the routine. So next up is the volu-firm lifting serum. I love it because it has this little kind of opening here to see through, so you know exactly when you're going to run out of product. But this is the Triangle of Youth product. This is the product that's like Spanx for your face. You're literally going to apply it kind of in this area. This triangle is what they're referring to. And this is helping to prevent the sagging, right? All of that happening from our skin. And always make sure any of these products actually that you're doing your neck and your chest too. Those are two important areas that we want to make sure that we address. So that is the lifting serum. Okay, we'll let that sit for just a moment. And then next up, if it's daytime or nighttime, we're going to choose one of two products. If it's daytime, we use this day cream. It has SPF 30 in it. Okay. And then if it's nighttime, you're going to use the volu-firm night treatment with retinol. And this retinol that's in here is actually encapsulated. So it will kind of just over time release its kind of boost of retinol to help the cell turnover. So very important to use this at night. And then the day cream, of course, during the day. So I'm going to go ahead and just use a little bit of the day cream. I will give you a little tip. So this product here has these two little dips here. I don't know if you can see that in the camera very well, but right there, there's a place for your fingertips to go, and that actually releases the product. So you pump it that way, and then just the amount of product that is on the lid there is enough to use on your entire face and probably your neck and your chest. So a little bit of our product goes a long way. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the day cream. And then last but not least, we can't forget about our eyes. So we have our eye renewal, volu-firm eye renewal cream. Now this is special because it has this little metal tip to it. Okay, so it helps with puffiness around the eye area, hydration, fine lines. It does it all. This is like what I call the pink Cadillac of eye creams. And you rub it on like that, nice and easy. And it just feels so good to apply there. So it actually helps with the puffiness. That's what that metal tip is actually helping to do. So that's that. And that's the set. So that's how quick and easy this particular set can be for you and to get all of that anti-aging benefit onto your skin. So now what I'm going to do is just show you a quick before and after that I think is very cool to look at. So let me go ahead and pull that up there. So that's the Time-Wise Repair Kit, and that's a before and after for, I believe, 12 weeks it says. So look at the results that she got. That's so amazing. So I just love the before and after, so I thought you guys would like to see that. Okay, so then last but not least, I'm just going to show you the specials and all the fun things that you can get for this set here. So here it is. So this is our time-wise, not time-wise, it's our travel roll-up bag that you can put all of your time-wise products in, plus more. So look at this. It has a cute little handle on it. You rip this open and check that out. You got all these little pockets on it. Then you have this little hook on the end so you can hang it on the bathroom door. You've got these little clear pockets as well. So you can kind of design your bag however you want to. But I love the fact that you can just roll it on up and then you've got everything all in one place. So I'm going to show you how you can get this bag for free. Okay, are you ready? So let me go ahead and pull this one up here. All right, so this is our most popular of our repair sets and how they come. So let me pull it up for you. So that way it's a lot bigger and you can see it. There we go. That's as big as I think I can make it on here. So hopefully you can see that. But these are the most popular repair sets. So on the left-hand side, is the basic repair set. So that was where we did the cleanser, the lifting serum, you have day or night cream, and then you have your eye cream. So that would be like the starter set. And then with that, you do get the free roll-up bag. So all of these, you're going to get a free roll-up bag. And then with the Ultimate Time-Wise repair set, that one you're not only going to get the basic there, but you're going to add those 2 extra supplements, like I mentioned, the Repair Revealing Radiance Facial Peel and the Deep Wrinkle Filler. So that's the bonus that you're going to get with that Ultimate Time-Wise repair set. And then at the bottom is the Queen bag. So this is the person that says, you know what, I need it all. Plus I need some makeup to kind of freshen things up. And I definitely want those, oil-free eye makeup remover and the micellar water to get myself started. Now, there is one other product in there that I haven't mentioned yet, but it is my absolute biggest treat for my skin. And that is something called the Biocellulose Lifting Mask. Okay. And that is amazing. It's basically a coconut, sheet mask, and it has these lifting, it kind of like hugs your face and it just lifts your skin up. It's absolutely amazing. And so it comes in a package of 4, and I recommend doing this a couple times a week, maybe before a special event or holidays, or you're getting your pictures done. It's a great opportunity to just pamper your skin, but really just make it look amazing. Okay. So that is what's in the Queen bag. You get all of that plus some. And then at the bottom, just the add-ons. Those are just extra products that, if you wanted to add on to any of the sets you decided to purchase, those are just great selections that are also helping with anti-aging and pampering for yourself. So those are the most popular sets that we have for our repair line. So I do want to encourage you, reach out to your consultant, tag her if you want to do this. If you want to get most of this product at a really great discount or possibly even free, then I want you to make sure to tag her, reach out to her, because I'm sure she's got something really fun going on that she can do for you as a little freebie. So I bet she's got some rewards for that. And that can be done either virtually or in person. So that would be awesome to volunteer to do that. It's great and it saves you a lot of money. And then also too, if you are interested in getting up to $300, maybe it's a little bit more now than $300 in coupons, then what you're going to do is just comment coupon down below, and I will make sure that you get a quick little survey. It's literally just a 2-3 minute video that you watch, and then you fill out 5 questions. And the 5 questions are about a Mary Kay business opportunity. And once you're done with that, you will automatically in your email get a whole slew of coupons that you can use for the year. So 12 months worth of coupons, about $350. So definitely want to take advantage of that. So I hope that you learned something. I hope that you are excited about this new skincare routine, and we are happy to get you started on it. So thank you so much for joining, and I will catch you next time.